Welcome to this honest and detailed review of our Rytr.me, one of the more popular AI writing tools on the market today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire platform, showing you exactly what you get when you sign up and how it performs for different content creation tasks. Our Rytr positions itself as an affordable AI content generator designed for marketers, bloggers, and small business owners, promising fast and effective copywriting in seconds. After logging in, you're greeted with a clean and simple dashboard. You can start writing immediately by selecting a language, tone of voice, and use case. Our Rytr offers a wide range of writing use cases, from blog ideas and outlines to full-length articles, product descriptions, emails, and even story plots. The UI is very beginner-friendly, with a drop-down system that makes it quick to set your parameters and hit write for me. But how does the quality hold up? For short-form content like emails and product descriptions, our Rytr does a decent job. It generates clean, coherent sentences with minimal editing required. However, when it comes to long-form content like blog posts or articles over 1,000 words, the results can be mixed. Sometimes the text lacks flow, repeats itself, or uses generic phrasing that needs human polishing. Speed-wise, our Rytr is fast. Outputs generate in seconds, and the credit system allows you to manage your word usage depending on your plan. However, it's worth noting that the free plan is quite limited, offering only 10,000 characters per month, which may not be enough if you're a frequent user. Their premium plan is reasonably priced, but still may fall short for agencies or larger content teams due to the quality ceiling. Many useful links you can find in the description. One of the more useful features is the rephrasing tool, which works quite well for improving awkward sentences. The built-in plagiarism checker is a nice touch, though it's only available with a premium subscription. In terms of languages, our Rytr supports over 30, which is impressive, and it does a surprisingly decent job with translations and local tone adaptation. That said, our Rytr isn't perfect. There's no real way to structure very long documents or add citations, and formatting is pretty minimal. Compared to tools like Jasper or Write-Sonic, our Rytr has fewer customization options and weaker contextual memory across paragraphs. This can be frustrating for users writing in depth or technical content where consistency is key. Support is decent with a live chat option and helpful knowledge-based articles, but response times vary. Overall, our Rytr is a solid tool for light to moderate content needs, especially if you're working with short deadlines and tight budgets. However, it's not going to replace a professional writer or a more robust AI tool if you're after high-level output. If you're considering our Rytr for daily business use, think about the type of content you create most often. It's great for quick marketing copy, product blurbs, and brainstorming ideas, but less ideal for research-heavy articles or content that requires strong narrative flow. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials on digital tools that can boost your productivity.